How to make a Supercell account and connect your email. So what you have to do firstly is you're gonna have to click on the three lines all just to the right corner. Now from here, you're gonna have to scroll down until you find this option right here where it said ID Connect. Now from here, you're gonna have to click on this option right here where it said create a new ID if you don't have that account. But if you do have that account, click on yes and log me in. But since I don't have that account and we want to connect a new email, we're gonna click on create a new ID. Now from here, we're gonna click on continue. So at first you have to put in your email. Once we put in our email, we're gonna have to click on create and they should send you a verification code to my email, which I just got right now. So I'm gonna just put it in. And once you put in the code, click on submit. And as you guys can see, it should take you to this page right here where they're gonna make you select accounts. If you have more than 2, 3 accounts, it's gonna be right here. But since I have one account, my account is right here. So I'm gonna just click on continue. And it's gonna tell you to choose an avatar. So just a picture you could choose from, then a background you could choose from. So you have a lot of options you could do that from. Now from here, you're gonna have to click on continue. As you guys can see, I just created my Supercell account, which is connected to my email. So this would help you. Make sure you like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.